Hello my friends, you are welcome to Maths Solution. My name is Justice Johnson. I shall be taking you on constructing quadratic equation from sum and product of roots. If you have been following me in this quadratic equation series, you will recall from our previous lesson under constructing quadratic equation, we talked about how to construct quadratic equation from given roots. And in that lesson, I wrote out a formula that says x squared minus sum of roots of x, then plus product of roots, everything equals to 0. Let's write this out very clearly. So we say product of roots and all equals to 0. So I made use of this formula throughout the lesson, and this is the formula we use to construct a quadratic equation. So we say x squared minus sum of roots of x plus product of roots. So if the roots are given, we use this formula to construct the quadratic equation. And please, if you have not watched the previous videos, I would advise that you do so after this video. Make sure you do watch it so that you have a perfect understanding of what we are doing. Now let's go straight into the lesson at hand. Now the lesson at hand, we are to construct a quadratic equation if the sum and product of roots are given. So in what is on the board, we are told that the sum of roots is 3 upon 2, while the product of roots is 2. So we are required to look to construct the quadratic equation. How do we do that? Now on the board, we have x squared minus sum of roots of x, then plus product of roots, and that equals to 0. Now what we are going to do here is this. We come to the next step here, and then we write x squared, then minus, for the sum of roots, we already told that the sum of roots is 3 upon 2, so we'll write it there, 3 upon 2 of x, and the next thing we do is to say plus, then the product of roots is given to us here as what? 2. So we write 2 and then we equate everything to 0. That's the first step we are to take. Now from here, we need to clear this fraction, all right? And how do we do that? First, I'm going to write this equation out again. I will say x squared, then minus the 3 upon 2. We can use this 3 to times the x to open the bracket. So we have 3x upon 2, then plus 2, everything equals to 0. So you can see how the layout of the work is. Now if you check this middle term, we're having a fraction. There is a minus 3x at the top and a 2 at the denominator here. So we need to clear this denominator. And how do we do that? We take the else, we use this 2 because it is the only number that is here. Every other numbers here is just 1, 1. So the denominator here is 2. We are going to use it to multiply each of the terms here. So we say LCM is equals to 2. So we have to use it to multiply each term. So 2 multiplied into x squared, okay, then minus 2 multiplied into 3x upon 2, then we have plus 2 multiplied into 2, everything equals to 0. Now the reason why we are doing this is so that we can clear the fractions here. So finally we are going to arrive at 2 times x squared will give us 2x squared, then minus this 2 at the bottom part here. We'll cancel this 2 here to give us 1. 1 times 3x will give us 3x, then plus 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. And everything equals to 0. So there you have it, friends. the quadratic equation whose sum is 3 upon 2 and whose product is 2 is now 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So that is the answer to this question. I hope you follow through the steps in solving these questions correctly and that you also enjoyed the lesson. Please, if you have not subscribed to Math Solutions, please do so, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when next a video is released. Like this video and also put a comment in the comment box and I will get right back to you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for the time you spend watching this video. I will see you in my next lesson.